everybody, welcome back to my channel. Hope you're all doing well. In today's Motivation Monday, I'm going to share with you a cozy evening cleaning routine that I do once I put my two boys to bed, just to get the house all sort of locked down and ready for another busy day in the morning. So I'm going to start by just going into the kitchen and I'm going to put everything that needs to go in the dishwasher in the dishwasher, and then I will make sure I turn it on so that everything is clean and ready to be emptied in the morning. Next up, I'm just going to wipe down the sides quickly. I'm just using a Zaflora surface spray and a microfiber cloth, and I'm just going to go over all the sides from when I've been making dinner today and all the crumbs and marks that just need wiping off. I did use the hob to make dinner this evening, so I'm also just going to wipe down the hob as well. Also, please ignore the clock on my oven. That is always wrong and that I always forget to change. On the days where I do remember or have time to do this in the evenings, I'm always so thankful for it in the morning. It's so nice to come down to a clean and organised kitchen to start my day. I'm not saying I do this absolutely every night without fail. Sometimes you're too tired or I might have other things to do, but when I do this, I'm always so glad that I did. Next up, I'm going to go into the utility room and just hang up a load of washing that I put on this afternoon. I haven't had a chance to hang it up yet to dry, so if I do it now, it means it can dry overnight, and in the morning I can take it all down and put it all away and get ready for another load of washing, and the hamster wheel just keeps on turning. While I've got that surface spray handy, I'm just going to spray down in the utility as well. I used the air fryer to make the boys' dinner, so there is a bit of crumbs and mess in here that needs to be cleaned up. I'm also just going to declutter, put things away, tidy up cables, put things back in their homes, and just make the kitchen an empty, clean space. Over at the dining table, I'm going to tidy up as much as I can, but I'm actually filming this during the summer holidays and there is just making stuff out all the time. There's really no point in tidying it away because Leo will just get it all out again tomorrow. So instead of putting it away, I'm just going to organise it, put everything in to the side, make a little bit of room and just make myself feel better, to be honest, because it will just be all out again tomorrow. And of course, I need to tidy up the toys. This is a very familiar scene to any mum who has young children. As soon as they go to bed, I always want to tidy up the toys. Clint often says to me, why don't you just leave it? Because he's going to get the toys out as soon as he wakes up. But I just can't. I just need the house to be tidy and organised at the end of the day, even if he does get it all out again as soon as he wakes up. I'm also just going to run the vacuum around only in the kitchen and the play dining area like this. I'm not going to do the entire bottom floor. I'm just going to give a quick sweep around this area. This is our most high traffic area of the house, so this is where all the crumbs and mess love to gather, particularly around the dining table. Actually, my oldest son is by far my messiest eater, so I'm going to make sure I go around his chair and get all of his crumbs from dinner. Not forgetting this little play corner here that is always everywhere and that I need to organise and put away. I just can't help but have to put everything back in the right baskets and things. I don't just throw it all in one place. I just have to put things back in the right place. I don't know. I annoy myself sometimes with it, but I just have to. I'm going to make sure that the boys' tablets are charging overnight, ready for tomorrow. As I said, it is school holidays, so we kind of need these at the moment. I'm going to light a couple of candles just to signal that my evening has started. I'm actually filming this on a Saturday night, and we are going to have a movie night with a Chinese takeaway. So I'm lighting a couple of candles. I'm going to put on some comfy PJs. I had a shower before this as well. I love to have a shower, put on my pajamas, and then sit down with Clint, have some yummy food and watch some telly. We're actually going to watch Wolf on BBC. Not really a movie, it's a TV drama. I don't know if you've watched it, but it's really, really good. Highly recommend. We have got our favourite Chinese takeaway and the evening routine is done. I can chill, I can eat, and we just basically repeat tomorrow. But guys, thank you so much for watching my latest video. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not already. Don't forget to click the thumbs up button as well. I would hugely appreciate that, and I will see you in my next video.
I'm going out with you tonight.